What's up guys, Midnight here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make Gtag Blender profiles. In the last video I taught you guys how to make plushy profile pictures. Well, this time I'm just going to do normal Gtag rig. Some of the steps are the exact same and I'm probably not going to be able to help you with your problems, just because I'm more new to this, so it's not going to be that good of a tutorial. And the requirements are pretty much the exact same. You're just going to need a good PC and Blender. But before I start, make sure to join my Discord, and if you ever want to meet me, then my fan code is M1DGT. But with that, let's get started. So the first step is to get Blender, which is really easy. All you have to do is go to Microsoft Edge and then type in Blender. Then you want to click the first link and then just press download Blender. The Blender model I'm using is from GitHub. I'll give you the link in the description and maybe the comment section. Now just load it up and it should bring you here. We can first start by changing the name. First, you're going to want to click the gorilla name and then press object mode to edit mode. It's best to use uppercase letters than lowercase letters, and I'm going to be doing Elliot for this video. When you're done, just press edit mode and then object mode. Now to change the color, you want to press the fur and make sure to not press these little black lines. Just make sure to press the fur. And then you want to go over to the right and press the material button. And then where it says primary color, you can change it to whatever color you want. Since I'm doing Elliot, I have to pick a light gray color. Now we can start posing him. To pose him, you need to press these black lines. And then press object mode and then click pose mode. Before you start posing, you want to press this X and make sure it's off. When posing, if you have it on, then if you move the arm to one direction, the other arm goes into that same direction. So basically, the arms just follow each other. And if you don't have anything to the left of your screen, then press View, then press Toolbar. Now you can start posing. And for this video, I'm just going to be doing him waving. Now that I'm done with my pose, it's time to add cosmetics. Now I got my cosmetics from a Discord server that's right now shut down or got deleted, but you can get cosmetics from GitHub as well. I'll put the link in the description where you can get the cosmetics, and you can also get textures there too. And you can also get your cosmetics from Sketchfab as well. Once you have your cosmetics, press File, Import, FBX, and then choose the cosmetics you got. And then you just put them on how you want to put them on. When you get them from Sketchfab, the texture loads correct, but when you get them from GitHub, it shows pink, which is perfectly fine and normal. To fix this, go to the top where it says layout, shading, and animation, stuff like that. Press shading, and then it should send you to something like this. So like I said on GitHub, the link in the description, you can get a bunch of different textures from each update. When you have the right texture file, press the file button, downloads, and then find the texture file, and then press open image. Then you can do that to the rest of your cosmetics and then just place them how you want to place them. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to add a point light. This is optional. And to add a camera, press add and then camera. Then you can just place it how you want, and if you want to see how it looks, press render and then render image. When I'm done, I press add and then just add a cube, and then I place it at the back and just make it a little green screen. Now press render, and then you want to press image and then save. Now you have to go to Photopea, new project, and then YouTube profile. Then press File, Open in Place, and then click the picture you selected. Then scale it how you like it to be scaled. Now remove the background that's white, and then press the magic brush. Then press the green part and press backspace, and if it says this, just press OK. Then you want to just press backspace and delete all of the green part. After I do that, I really just add a stroke after. To do that, you just want to press your image to the right click it, and then press blending options. Then I add a stroke, and then press it again, and then turn it into center instead of outside. And then I just change the color. For this video, I'm just going to be doing white. After this, you just need to find an editing app like Canva or something, and then just add a background to it. But anyways, this is what mine looked like in the end. I get most of my backgrounds from Pinterest. They have really good backgrounds. Sorry if this was a bad tutorial. This was a little rushed. Anyways, guys, that's my tutorial on how to make a Gorilla Tag Blender profile picture. If you want the plushie one instead, you can go watch the plushie video. But if you want it to look better, then I'd recommend watching a different tutorial, because this is just what I know. I'm kind of new to this, so it's not going to be good. Plushie is just a little more easier, so that's why I'm just better at plushies instead of Gorilla Tag Blender profiles. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like. And anyways, if you enjoyed this video and have any questions, I will maybe try to answer them to the best I can. But make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.